Yeah, that's not good at all. Not even slightly. G'day everybody, welcome back. Today, going to put the hydraulic system back together on the Fiat. As you saw in the intro, when I went to put it back together, I looked up inside and there's a heap of wasp nests, let's assume. So we've taken all the pipe work off, but I'll show you what else we're up to, because this is a roadblock. So. So I've installed the hydraulic pump loosely and the drive shaft off the front pulley. I still have to cut this bolt down so it's reasonably balanced. And this shaft actually goes through the bottom of the radiator down there. So I need to get the pump without the shaft installed and put all the hydraulic lines on. And I went to do it yesterday and discovered that the wasp nest was deep inside the bowels of the pipe. So I'm going to let it drain. I'll turn around the other way. Going to let them drain for a couple of hours. I've also got some new O-rings to put in. So I've got to run the hydraulic line back in where it goes, hook it back up. I'll give both the inlet and outlet ports a clean, because once I've got the hydraulic pump in and the hydraulic lines, I can then put the radiator on for good, and I can put the front end on for good, and then run the wiring and start solving the wiring problem. A couple of other little jobs I've done along the way. I routed all the fuel lines properly. So they're all where they need to go. Everything's in place. I've got the fuel line on the tank. Found the bolts to mount the tank supports. What I haven't got yet is the water outlet pipe, and this is proving quite problematic. So a Fiat 411RB has a 3 water outlet port that runs up to the radiator about here, and it has this pipe which hooks into it. Every wrecker in Australia that I've tried so far doesn't have one. I'm going to go back to where I picked the engine up today and see if it's sitting in his shed, and I'm fingers crossed, I'm hoping. The other thing I'm going to have to fabricate is the throttle linkage line that runs through here and hooks onto the back of the governor. It's broken. I'm going to have to whip one of those up or get a fella I know to help me. So anyway, let's give these hydraulic lines a clean and we'll bang them back in. So today, I'm not going to try and do this one-handed, because the last time we did it one-handed, we destroyed a 60-year-old relic. So in here should be a fuel bowl, a seal, and a filter. Or at least that's what I'm hoping. Haven't found it yet. Got something in there. Oh. I've got some newspaper. That's just a piece of cardboard. A Bosch. This is a Bosch. Made in Germany. For an Italian tractor. Oh, more newspaper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, check it out. Check it out. Fuel filter. Spring seal bowl. Oh yeah, check it out. Oh yeah. So far so good. No. Might have to get... Oh, don't drop this one. Oh. Oh, I'm on fire. Yeah. And now I've lost the filter under the tractor. Oh, there it is. Right, let's have another go. Okay, seal in place. Holding glass bowl in hand. Filter. I'm never ever taking this off again if I can avoid it. Right. Oh, unbelievable. Everyone can breathe a sigh of relief. So at this point, fuel line, fuel comes in from tank to fuel filter, from fuel filter to back of pump, from pump up to carburetor. At this point, once I get the